Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the dollar yen, it looks like it's not respecting the 78% fib, which is kind of what I expected. I think it's more likely to go up to the 100% Fibonacci extensive, which will probably end up looking something like this. It definitely looks like it's a wave 5, but it possibly could just be a subdivision of a much bigger trend, and especially when you're looking at other yen pairs, I definitely think that the yen pairs have lots and lots of upside potential left. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the fact that we're now respecting this level is pretty important for me. That tells me that we probably definitely should be continuing to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely got impulsive down, which I think is likely a 4. Then we got up, 3 waves down. So I think this is likely a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. If this is a wave 3, this move up from here is a wave 3, then this is actually way too small to be a complete wave 3. It's probably likely that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. We definitely have a couple areas to watch out for. You know, the 162.2 is a likely area, and there's another one up above that. But for now, definitely bullish and definitely looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I personally am doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs. I personally think the only strategy that is really even necessary right now is going long at the end of every single pullback you see for the continuation of this big uptrend. So, going down to the 1 hour time frame, you have to keep in mind that when every single time frame, the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, and everything in between is in an uptrend and there's no evidence that the trend is over, then you have no business being on the 1 hour time frame looking for shorts. I personally would be looking for three-way pullbacks. Kind of looks like that's already the end of a correction. I'd be looking for 1, 2, 3 ways down to go long. If it does end up, continuing back up, that's great. Eventually, I'm sure it probably will make another three-way pullback, and that's exactly where I will be looking to get in again for the continuation of the uptrend. You have to remember, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs, that the trend is your friend, and there's really no reason to even think about going short on the 1 hour time frame and under when every single higher time frame is telling you that we're in an uptrend and that we should be looking for longs. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.